Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 8th, so I want to show you my day trades that I did today. Um, so every morning when I come in, I pull up my gap scanner. Let me pull that up real quick. So these were the stocks that were gapping up, and we had AIHS and then VC and a few other stocks. But if I show you all the stocks that I was watching, I can just pull up my Twitter and show you that. So I was watching AIHS VBIV KTOV, DGLY AYRO, and NNC was a maybe. So now I took a lot of trades today. It was very choppy today. I finished the day down $69, which is not bad. It's my first red day on the month, so it's whatever. So today we didn't see a lot of follow through whatsoever. So a lot of the trades I took, I wasn't seeing any follow through, like I said. So AYRO was one of them. This one, let me just, go back on this. Keep going back. Yeah. So this one, I actually had missed the ride around this area, so I didn't take it. But most of the time, it took me a few tries, but even then it failed. So one time I got it around this area and I failed. And this area as well and I failed. And eventually I think on this one, I got some and then lost some on the way on this flush back down. So that was that. AIHS was where I made money, but also like lost a lot more than I made. And let me go back to the beginning here. So this one, had a lot of volume today. I was looking for a red to green move, which happened, but I had missed it. And then I tried to get in around this area right here, 226 for the break of high of day. That didn't happen. And then over here, I got in around this area for the break of VWAP, and it actually failed. So lost some money there. And I think I tried over here a few times and it didn't work out, so lost some money there as well. So, let me pull up my broker real quick. So if I pull this up and I show you, if you look down here on this area, I'm down $68. And the stocks that I traded today was VBIV, Twitter, NNVC. NNVC I made some money on. DGLY I lost. VBIV, right? So VBIV, let's pull that up real quick. Whoops, let me see. Yeah, AIHS, okay, cool. Yeah, AYRO, cool, DGLY. So let's go over DGLY and VBIV, which I was down, I lost around 125, I think, something like that. So VBIV was, let's see here. So this one, I didn't see much follow through, or let me go back here. So this one, I took some trades around this area for the break of this point, but obviously that failed. That never happened. And then over here, I lost some trades for the break of VWAP. That didn't happen. So today I wasn't seeing follow through. But towards the end of the day on VBIV, I was gonna take trade for the break of this point right here, but I just didn't feel confident because it was later in the day. But obviously, it went through and would have, should have, could have. So whatever. But what had happened was I was actually down around like $160. But first, before I talk about that, let me talk about DGLY. So let's pull up DGLY real quick. Do we have it? No, right here. So DGLY was also a battle. Let's see. Let's keep going back. Yeah, this one I think, missed the red to green move. And then it came back down. And let me see how much I DGLY, yeah, $70. So DGLY, if I go here and let's look at DGLY real quick. Okay, so DGLY, I guess I got in around 343 and then around 330, 338. Okay, so 338. Yeah, so I think what had happened was when I got in around this area, it actually flushed down. Because of that, I got out, and same thing happened a few times, and then I got out. And I think eventually I made little money on it, but then at the end I was down on uh, on DGLY $70. So yeah, so before I actually shut down the shop, I was down around $150. And when I came back later, I saw Twitter actually was making some moves. So if I open up Twitter, let's go to Twitter. Let me open up in this area right here. So Twitter was making moves. It took me a few tries, actually. And once those few tries happened, I was actually down around $180. So it was for the break of $36, I believe. Not sorry, yeah, 35. Yeah, for the break of the. Let me. Yeah, right here. So it was this area. It took me a few tries. So once around this area, I think twice around this area, and then third here, and then fourth, I finally, it worked out. So I think I bought like 300 shares, and then I sold some on the way up, sold more on the way up, and I was holding like I think 80 or 100 shares, and then I got my best exit was on Twitter. Let's pull that up real quick. So let's go all the way up. So my best exit on Twitter was 100 shares at 36.88. So with that in mind, I'm only down, $69 on the day, which is good. I'm happy with that. I can live with that. Small losses can be controlled. I can always recover from that. I followed my plan, and that's what that was. That's it for me, guys. Hopefully you guys are agreeing, and hopefully tomorrow is not as choppy. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.